Okay, good morning children. Today we are going to see multiplication. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit number, 4-digit number with 2-digit number, which you have learned in your previous class. So we are going to give a freshing it up. Okay, so first one we are going to see in page number 2. Page number 2 in your second term book. Okay, so example 1. Find the product of 156 and 267. So product of 156 and 267. Now what you will do is 156 multiplied with 267. So what you have to do? You have to first multiply the unit place with the unit place. Okay, 7 into 6. 7 6 are, tell 7 table along with me. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. So 2 is your unit number which you will write down, and 4 is your tens which will go as the carry. Now here you have 7 and 7 is multiplied with the next 10. Next number in the tens value, which is 7 5. So 7 5s are again 7 table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. 35 you got, and 4 is carry. So 35 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 35 after 36, 37, 38, 39. 39. 9 is your unit and 3 is your 10. So 9 you will write down and 3 will go as the carry. Now here you have 7. 7 is multiplied with the next number in the 100. So 7 multiplied with 1. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 is the carry. So 7 plus 3 is 8, 9 and 10. Since there is no number before 1, you will write the 10 as it is 1 and 0. Okay, so now here you have 6. Okay, now what you do is you will erase them. Okay, you erase the carry because you don't have to get confused, right? So now here you have 6. The next number before 7 is 6. So 6 multiplied with the first unit number. So 6, here also 6, here also 6. 6 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. 6 is the unit that you will write down, and 3 is your carry that you will write on top of the next number. Now here you have 6 and 6 is multiplied with the number before the unit number, which is 5. So here you have 6 and here you have 5. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 3 is the carry. So 30 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 30 after 31, 32, 33. So 33. 3 is the unit that you will write here. See, this place you have to leave. Okay, that place you are not supposed to use, that and all you remember from the previous class, right? So 3 is the unit and 3 is your carry that you will write on the top of next number. Now 6 is multiplied with the number in the hundreds place. 6 and 1. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is your carry. 6 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8 and 9. Now you again erase these numbers. Carries and all you erase. Now you have this number is done. This number is done. Now left is 2. 2 is multiplied with the first number of the next digit, which is unit. So 2 6 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So 12. 2 is your unit. So here you left one place. Here you will leave 2 place, and in the third place you will write the unit 2. And 1 will be your carry that you have to put on the top of next number, which is 5. Now here you have 2. 2 is multiplied with the number in the tens place. So 2 5s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is your carry, 11. Okay. So 11 you got, 1 is the unit that you will write here and 1 is your carry that you will write on the top of the next number. Okay. So now here you have 2 and here you have 1. 2 is multiplied with the last number which is 100. So 2 into 1 is 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is your carry, which is 2 plus 1 is 3. That you will write here. Now you will write 2. Only 2 is here, the next 2 places are empty. So you will write 2 as it is, and here you have 9, here you have 6. 9 in your mind, 6 in your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 you got. 5 is your unit that you will write here. 1 is your carry that will go here. Now 1 is here and 0 is here. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 and here you got 3. So 1 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 1 after 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 4 in your mind, 2 in your finger. 4 after 5, 6. Now here you have 1, 1 plus 9. 1 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 plus 1 is 10 in your mind, 1 in your finger. 10 after 11. So you got 11 here. 1 is the unit which you will write here and 1 is the carry that you will write here. So 1 plus 3, 1 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 1 after 4, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so your answer is 41,652. Okay. Now the second sum is also the same thing that you will multiply with 192 into 250. 192 pages in a notebook and there are 250 notebooks. So how many total pages will there be there? That is what their question is. So 192 multiplied by 250. So first here you have 0. 0 multiplied with 0. You know that any number multiplied with 0 is 0 itself. So 0 into 2 will be 0. 0 into 9 will be 0 and 0 into 1 will be 0. So you put 3 0. Now here you have 5. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 10 is your value and 0 is the unit. This place you have to leave. Before that you will write 0 and 1 is your carry that you will write on top of 9. Now 5 will multiply with the next number. 5 into 9. 5 9s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So 45 plus 1, 45 in your mind, 1 in your finger, 45 after 46. So you got 46. So 6 is your unit that you will write here and 4 is your carry, right? 4 you should go to the top of next number. Now 5 into 1 will give you 5 1s are 5, right? So any number multiplied with 1 will be the same number. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4, 5 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So you can write 9 here. And now see, you will erase the carry so that you won't get confused. Okay. So now 2 multiplied with the first unit number, 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. For that you have to leave 2 spaces, right? So you will cancel out the 2 spaces and write 2 2s are 4 here. Now 2 multiplied with 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So 18 you got, there is no carry. So what you will do is, 8 is the unit number that you will write here, and 1 is the carry that will go on top of next number. Now here you have 2 multiplied with 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? You will write 3 here. Now here you have 0. So you will write 0 as it is. Here also 0, here also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now here you have 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Anything added with 0 is 6 only. The same number, right? So 6. 6 plus 4. 6 in your mind, 4 in your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 is the unit that you will write here. 1 is the carry that you will write on the top. Okay, now 1 plus 9 is 1 in your mind, 9 in your finger. 1 after 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 you got. Okay, so 10 plus 8. 10 in your mind, 8 in your finger. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 18 you got. 8 is your unit that you will write down, and 1 is your carry that you will write on the top. So 1 plus 3. 1 in your mind, 3 in your finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. Understood? So your answer is 48,000. There are more sums the same way. Now you are going to see. So okay children, today we saw a multiplication of 3-digit number, right? 3-digit number with 3-digit number. So I am going to give you the homeworks which is in page number 6. Okay, exercise 1.1. They have given first one multiply. There are certain sets of 3-digit number. Okay, first one is 146 multiplied by 173. Okay, likewise they have given the multiplication of 3-digit number. That is your homework. You have to solve all the sums and send me the homework. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.